stories don't just live on pages. They live in the silences, the emotions we hide, the moments that break us. Welcome to Chapters and Beyond, where we don't just read books, we feel them.
I don't understand attraction. I really don't. People talk about it like it's easy, like you just know when it happens. But I don't. Women walk into this bar every week. They smile, they talk, they flirt, and I feel nothing. I notice them, but I don't see them. Then she walks in, and everything changes. I try not to stare, but my eyes keep finding her. I don't want them to. They just do. Now she's close, and I can't stop thinking about her mouth. Now I can't stop kissing her. I have rules. I don't chase customers. That rule matters to me. It keeps things simple. But tonight, I break it. And I don't even know why. Something about her feels urgent. Like if I don't act now, I won't get another chance. She feels like someone who leaves. Like someone who won't come back. I can already feel it. The regret I'll carry if I let her walk away. She's quiet, but not weak, not shy. She's quiet like a storm, the kind that doesn't warn you, the kind that hits before you know it's there. She doesn't talk much, but every word she gives me makes me want more. More of her voice, more of her thoughts. She tastes like apples. I don't know why I notice that. I just do. Apples have always been my favorite. I think they still are. She kisses me first. That surprises me. But when I pull her closer, she gasps. I hope it's not because she's scared. I hope it's because she feels it too. She pulls away, then she comes back, stronger, more sure. And then she stops again. This time her eyes change. They fill with something heavy. She looks sorry, like she's already blaming herself. She says she shouldn't be here. Then she leaves. I don't let her go alone. I follow her. I don't want her to leave without me remembering her face, without me remembering this. Outside, she's crying. I freeze. I don't know what to say. So I do the only thing I know. I hold her. At first, she's stiff. Then she relaxes, like she needed this. The street is empty. Everyone else is home. And I'm standing here, holding a girl who feels like she's breaking. Something is wrong with her. Something big. And I'm not sure I want to know it. But I can't leave her like this. I just can't. She says she needs to go home. I offer her a ride. It's too late for her to walk alone. I won't let that happen. In my truck, she won't face forward. She looks unsure. I ask if she's okay. She says tomorrow is important, a big day. She doesn't explain, so I don't ask again. She touches my sleeve. I touch her knee. I wait. She moves closer. That's all I need to know. We kiss again, slower, deeper. I don't want to hurt her, but I want her. Lights appear. The moment breaks. I drive her home. 2 minutes feels too long. She thanks me. She walks away. I stand there. I don't know her name, but I want to. And that scares me more than anything else.